Let's talk about parts of the body today. Ulo, head. Ulo means head. Ulo, head. Buhok, hair. Buhok. Buhok means hair. What is a Bisaya word for head? What is a Bisaya word for head?
The answer is ulo. Ulo. What is a Bisaya word for hair? Unsa sa Bisaya ang hair? The answer is buhok. Buhok. Mata. Mata is eye. Mata, eye. Kilay. Kilay is eyebrow. Kilay, eyebrow. Pilok. Pilok is eyelash. Pilok, eyelash. Pilok, eyelash. Unsa sa Bisaya ang eye? What is a Bisaya word for eye? The answer is mata. Mata. Unsa sa Bisaya ang eyebrow? What is a Bisaya word for eyebrow? The answer is kilay. Kilay. What is a Bisaya word for eyelash? Unsa sa Bisaya ang eyelash? The answer is pilok. Pilok. Dalungan. Dalungan is ear. Dalungan, ear. The Bisaya word for ear is dalungan. Unsa sa Bisaya ang ear? What is a Bisaya word for ear? The answer is dalungan. Dalungan. Ilong is nose. Ilong. Ilong is the Bisaya word for nose. Unsa sa Bisaya ang nose? What is a Bisaya word for nose? It is ilong. Ilong. Aping is cheek. Aping is a Bisaya word for cheek. Unsa sa Bisaya ang cheek? What is a Bisaya word for cheek? The answer is aping. Aping. Hope you learned something new today. Watch out for part 2 of the parts of the body. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!